guys? Welcome back to the... Let me just turn this on silent because obviously, you know, stop texting me. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we have a new video. Today we have a new quality because your girl got a camera. For me, I feel like it was about time because I just have to do a lot of things that have to do with a camera, and I have a lot of things that I want to get done that, you know what I'm saying, I could do with a camera. So why not buy a camera? Boom. So today we doing a different type of video. I feel like I'd say we doing a different type of video with every single video. You know what I'm saying? Today is a different type of video because today we trying on some contact lenses. For today's video, I partnered up with Just for Akira to do a little unboxing and try on these contact lenses they sent me. I actually believe they told me to choose a few less, but they sent me like a bunch. So we're gonna try these out now. Mind you, this is my first time ever trying on contact lenses, so this should be interesting. I might need to phone a friend for some help because I'm a little scared. You know, my nails is mad long, so that might be a little difficult. But I washed my hands before doing this video. I'm gonna wash my hands again before, you know what I'm saying, touching my eyeball because can't have that. But yeah, also down below, like, I'll link down their information in the description as well, so you guys can like check them out. Also, like, if I look mad, like, hold on. If I look mad, like, it's because I'm sitting right in front of the lamp, you know what I'm saying? People be trying to play me talking about, oh, you getting lighter, or you got lighter, or you get lighter when you do your makeup, da, 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 da. I'm not really that light. Like, if you know me in person, I'm light, but I'm not that damn light, you know what I'm saying? I just be sitting in front of the lamp so y'all can see. For y'all, never mind. Anyways, so you open the box, they have this little note on the inside, and the top of the box is mad cute because it says Just for Akira. And then these little colored contacts. It also comes with these little I believe like solution cases where you put like the solution and clean the lenses and store them, I guess. So these are very important. Comes with those. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 colored contact lenses in here. So they sent me all of these colors right here. So I'm gonna read off the name. I'm not gonna try all these on because first of all, I feel like I have sensitive eyes, you know what I'm saying? So if I keep like gouging my eyes, it's gonna be a little bit irritating. So okay, so basically it's 2 of each color. So I have 2 of the Aura Blue, which looks like this. Hold on, I gotta do all this little YouTube stuff now. This is the Aura Blue, and then this one right here is the Nila Brown, which is really pretty. Nila Green, and then Alpha Green, similar to Nila Green. So that, you know what I'm saying, like, it's fake the same. This one's a little darker though. But yeah, so we're gonna try these on. I'm gonna go put the little solution in the case. I'm gonna read the little instructions on the back. Oh yeah, it also comes with little instructions. So if you're like me and you're a beginner and you've never put on contact lenses, it'll teach you how to do this. So I'm gonna read these, but you know what I'm saying, I fake still like, I need somebody like talk me through stuff because I've never been the person who could just read. Like, I could read instructions and do it, but it's just like if I see somebody be like, do this, like, it's just easier for me to, okay, and then follow that, you know what I'm saying? Especially because I got nails. Pull down your lower lids. Oh, this is complicated. Yeah, I'm gonna need to call, I'm gonna call my friend for assistance because this is gonna give me anxiety. Carefully squeeze it between your thumb and index finger. Eyes, you know what I'm saying, my eyes are already black, okay, black, brown, whatever you want to call it, you know what I'm saying? So let's do, I'm a little scared, we're gonna do blue. Wait, hold on, because I'm reading the instructions. They talking about soak the contact lens for 6 to 8 hours. Am I about to hurt myself? Hold on. Yo, you in the crib?
Yeah.
I got a question.
Oh
shit. So we doing a YouTube video, you feel me? We doing it. You don't gotta worry about being on camera. If you ever wore, you know what I'm saying, you soak it, does it have to be in there for 6 to 8 hours before you can put it in your eyeball?
Nah, not necessarily. Not really.
How long should I soak these for? It came with instructions, but you know, it's giving me a little bit of anxiety because look at these drawings.
So that's just dry?
I don't know. I gotta open the box.
Open the box. That's when you put the solution inside the little things.
A dummy. Okay, because I'm over here. He's like, they're dry? I'm like, wait, I don't know nothing about no contacts, but look, it come in some little, like, a little juice pouch, little solution pouch.
Put one down, and then you lift one up
like
that.
This.
Yeah, and then with the other
You
put
okay? We
put
throwing up gang
like,
signs right now.
like a bowl.
Okay.
Like a bowl.
So it'll go around your eye. Okay.
Yeah, and then so in your case, you don't want to put it like on the tip of your nail.
And then put it like that.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. And then when you take it out, that's my worry. I feel like putting it in is not going to be as scary as taking it out.
Alright, so contact and you drag it down a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah.
This video is going to be interesting. Wash my hands like twice before this video. I'm going to wash my hands again before I do each contact. I appreciate you later. Let's go. Let's do it. So I guess we're going to do blue for more solution. I let them soak for a little bit. So I just came back to them and stuff. I let the camera charge up a little bit. So now we're going to zoom in and we're going to try to put these contacts in our eye. Okay. Okay. First order of business, I'm going to go wash my hands and come right back because I do not want to infect my eyeball with any sort of hand stuff. So I'm going to be right back. Thank God I ain't put no makeup on my face because sheesh, I'm over here tearing up. Yo, I have never experienced something so difficult in my entire life. Y'all do not understand. I had to turn this whole camera off and get mad close to this dang mirror like this to try to do this. And I had to do it mad times over and over again because I kept like blinking. Like, I don't know how the hell y'all be doing this. Like, for those of y'all who literally wear contacts on a daily basis, I don't know how you do this. I feel like my eyes is wet from this dang solution and me crying. This one is super cute. Do the blue ones. I'm gonna do the next lens. I'm gonna try to do this one on camera because I think I might. Yeah, I'm gonna come back and give y'all my thoughts. But yeah, y'all see like the color is mad pretty. I really like the blue eye color. Like, it's mad pretty. This is really pretty. I'll be fine with blue eyes, right? Anyways, let me do the other eyes. Oh my god, did I just do the second one on camera? Is it gonna correct? Did I get it? Oh my god! Bro, my nose watering, my eyes watering. I'm just over here just reacting. Oh my god, I got it. Give me 2 seconds because I gotta fix my eyes. So what y'all think? Y'all like them? Y'all like the blue? How y'all feeling? Do y'all feel like, I don't know, look like I feel like I look like a werewolf, a vampire, something like that. I belong in a movie or something. You know, I really like it. I mean, I think it's different. Would I wear these 24/7? Y'all seen like how difficult it was for me to freaking put contacts in general. Like, not just because these, it's because I don't know how to damn put contacts in. So let me move my hair back down. It's kind of cute. So actually, after the whole day, I started to get used to wearing the lenses in the different colors. I think it was just a little bit different for me because it's so different from black, which is my natural eye color. But I really do love the lenses overall. I feel like they were pretty comfortable to wear. I really got used to wearing them. And maybe with like some practice, I'll be better at like applying lenses. But yeah, overall, I would definitely recommend Just for Akira to anybody who's looking to experiment with their eye color. They definitely have many different shade ranges online, as well as some different vibrant colors as well if you're looking to experiment. I'll definitely leave their link down in the description below so you guys can check them out. Thank you so much to Just for Akira for sponsoring this video. I really appreciate you guys sending me all these colored contact lenses to try out. I only tried out one in this video, which is going to be the, what is this? The Aura Blue. The Aura Blue color. That's the ones that I'm wearing right now. But I do have other lenses in Nila Green, Nila Brown, and Alpha Green. So I'll be trying those eventually as well. It's really different. Maybe for like a shoot or something like that. Or something. I don't know. But these are really fire. And yeah, so make sure you guys go check them out. I'm going to try to link down the specific these specific contacts down below if I can, but if not, I'm just gonna put their link and then you guys can search up and I'll put their names on the video. And make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at _HIT0MI___. You guys can add me on Snap at Hitomi Cartilage if y'all want to. I really do not be on there for like nothing, so if y'all want to, you can add me on there. But yeah, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace.